Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing some carbon fiber pieces that I bought for my car. I don't even know when. I got them like maybe 2-3 months ago and they just kind of been sitting here. I don't know why I've waited so long to put them on. I really don't know. But that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be installing all the carbon fiber pieces for the interior. It's going to make it look a lot nicer. It's going to dress it up, you know, look kind of foreignish, like a lot of foreign cars like Lamborghinis and Ferraris always come with, you know, tons and tons of carbon fiber on the interior. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then very soon, I'm not sure when, but I do have a carbon fiber steering wheel ordered. I'm really excited for that to come in. My family actually put some money together for Christmas and got it for me. So thank you to my mom, dad, my brothers, my wife, sister-in-law, everybody who pitched in. I really appreciate it, and that's going to be coming very soon. So basically what we want to do first is get some alcohol, 70% isopropyl, however the hell you pronounce that, alcohol, and you want to wipe down each surface. It's going to remove any contaminants that would prevent the double-sided tape from sticking onto the surface wherever you're trying to put it. So we're pretty much going to be putting it all right here over the dash, right here, all around here, down there, right here. See if you're going to cover some right here, here, and then it's going to cover this whole section right here. I think this little part right here is going to cover part right there, and then there's even a piece for right here, and so that's all right here. And I'm going to go ahead and get started on the cleaning. Alright y'all, and just like that, I'm done installing all the carbon fiber pieces. It looks pretty friggin' sweet, man. It did take a little longer than I expected it to. I've got carbon fiber covering every single little piece of the interior. Oh yeah, this is sick. Now that I got some extra light in here, oh yeah, pretty freaking sweet. I like it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.